Good morning to all teachers and all of my friends. Today I'm going to tell a story about the Emperor's Nightingale. Once upon a time, there was an emperor who loved to read about books of his palace. But one day, he reads a book about his palace, and he discovered there's a nightingale in his forest. The emperor is very angry because he did not know about it. So he tells his men to go and find the nightingale. At the forest, the emperor's men heard a beautiful song, and they saw the nightingale. When the emperor heard the nightingale song, the emperor said it to stay and sing it for him every day. But one day, the emperor of Japan gave him a mechanical nightingale. It can sing, but it got diamonds on it. But the real nightingale doesn't have diamonds on it, so it's sad and leaves. Many years goes by. The emperor is very happy with the mechanical nightingale. But one day, it stops singing. The emperor is sad and gets ill. When the nightingale hears about the emperor, it goes to the palace and sings it for the emperor. The emperor gets very happy. The moral of this story is appreciate the